Hello students, how are you? In our last class we have understand many more feature of Windows 7. Now we will understand some other feature of Windows 7. We are starting from the control panel. So what is control panel and what you can do with the control panel? Let's see. First you should open the control panel. For this you can search here on the for this control panel. You can see that here a control panel window is open and here are a lot of features you can see. For example, if you want to change the date and time of the system, how you will do? For this, in control panel, you will get the option of date and time. Okay, you will click on date and time. Then a pop-up window will appear, and here you can see that there is option of change date and time. Change date and time. So you will click here, and you can change the date. For example, today is 5, and you can set also date here, and after that you will click on OK. You will see your date and time of the computer is changed. Okay, you can change the time zone also. For different country, there are working at different time zone. In India, UTC plus 5:30 is working. So if you want to change this, you can change the time zone also. If you want to get an update from the internet, then you can update the date and time from the internet also. Okay, I hope you understand how you will change the date and time. You can change the date and time format also, or change the calendar settings. You can see that, and now computer is currently working in DDMMYY format. You can see that it is DDMMYY format. If you want to change this, you can change also MMDDYY format or some other format which you want. Same as it is, you can change the format of time also. So it is the extra option of the uh, control panel by which you can change the formation of the date and time. Okay, now come to the next. You can change the many more settings of the mouse also. For this you will click on mouse. You can see here first option is switch primary and secondary button. If you click here, then your left click will be right and right click will be left. The button of right and left will be interchanged. Okay, if you want to change the pointer shape, then you can change. For example, currently you can see that our pointer mouse pointer is look like arrow. If you want to change the shape, you can change the shape from the pointers option. For this you will click on browse and you will select the shape which you want to apply. You will click and pen, and then you will click on. You will see that the mouse pointer icon will be changed. Okay, and here are many more options. You can control the mouse pointer speed also. In the next step, pointer options. Okay, display the point trails. You can see that the point trail are visible, and there are many more settings of mouse you can apply from here. Okay, there are some option of where it is used for control panel, and here are a lot of option of control panel. You can use it. Okay, students, now we will understand the maximize and minimize of windows. For this you can see that in the title bar here are three buttons. There are three buttons. First is minimize. You can see it is minimized. Okay, and if you want to maximize, then it will be maximized. It is the maximize button, and first one is minimize button, and last one is close button. You can maximize and resize the window. You can resize the window also with the help of mouse. You will go on the any corner or any side of the windows, and you will see that your mouse icon will be changed. When it will be changed, you can drag the window as your need. You will see that your window will be resized. Okay. Now, now here are one more feature of Windows, that is known as arrow snap. Arrow snap. What is arrow snap? You can see that when we click on the center of title bar, and with the when press the left button and place the window on the right corner or left corner, you will see that your window will be fixed. Window has been fixed. Same as it is here, you will see that your window has been adjusted in the 50/50 option. You can see this feature known as arrow snap. Now we will understand some other feature of Windows, that is known as arrow peak. What is arrow peak? Arrow peak, with the help of arrow peak feature, you will see that when any application are open and the taskbar, you will go on that button, that icon. You will see that here you will pops up or a small window of open application. For example, here is a Google Chrome small applications window, and here is a control panel where you can see that one pops up, small pops up will be appear, that is a small screen of the windows. That feature known as arrow peak. Okay, that feature known as arrow peak. One other feature is arrow shake. What is arrow shake? Shake means moving. Then arrow shake, with the help of arrow shake, for example, if you click on the center of the button and you will click left button and you will shake the window. You will shake the window. Then what will be happen? When you click and you will see that only one window will appear, another will be disabled. And when you will shake again, you will see that other window will reopen. That feature known as arrow shake. Okay, it is arrow shake. The help of arrow shake, you can minimize most of the windows at a time. You will open only one single window. And one interesting feature is flip. What is flip? With the help of flip, you can switch the switch between the open windows. For this, you will press the Alt and Tab button. You will see that here is, when you press the Alt button, you can see that all open application are in a small fish icon. You can change anyone select. You can select anyone with the help of tab. That's feature known as flip. That feature known as flip. Okay. So I hope you understand many more things of Windows. In our next class, we will understand some other things. Till then, keep safe and keep watching.